Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am visiting a beautiful flower nursery filled with fresh and healthy plants. Here you will see different types of flowering plants, each with its own color, shape and beauty. As I walk through the nursery, I will show you various flower plants and explain their name, growth habits and basic care tips in a simple way. This nursery is a perfect place for garden lovers, beginners, and anyone who enjoys being close to nature. From seasonal flowers to long lasting plants, every corner is full of life and greenery. If you are planning to grow flowers at home or just love watching plants, this video will surely help and inspire you. Let's explore the nursery and learn more about these beautiful flower plants together. The Pink Chandramallika, also known as Chrysanthemum, is a popular and attractive winter flowering plant known for its soft pink blooms and pleasant appearance. This plant usually starts flowering from late autumn and continues blooming throughout the winter season, making it one of the best choices for winter gardens. It grows well in pots as well as in open garden soil, and medium-sized pots are ideal for healthy root growth. The plant prefers a bright sunny location with 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, though it can also tolerate light shade. Well-drained loose soil mixed with compost or vermicompost is best for this plant as it helps maintain moisture without causing root rot. Watering should be done regularly but moderately, allowing the topsoil to dry slightly between watering. Pinching and pruning during the early growing stage encourage bushy growth and increase the number of flower buds. Light feeding with organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks supports healthy leaves and bigger flowers. Pink Chandramallika is also known for its long bush life and is widely used for decoration, festivals, and religious purposes. With proper care, good airflow, and timely maintenance, this plant remains healthy and produces abundant, long lasting pink flowers that brighten any garden space. Next plant is yellow pansy. Is a cheerful and eye-catching winter flowering plant known for its bright yellow petals and dark center, which gives the flower a unique and attractive look. This plant blooms mainly during the cool season and performs best from late autumn to early spring. Yellow pansy plants are ideal for pots, hanging baskets, and garden borders because of their compact growth and colorful flowers. They prefer a sunny to partially shaded location with at least 3 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. Well-drained, loose soil mixed with compost help the plant grow healthy roots and produce more blooms. Watering should be regular but light as overwatering can cause root rot. Removing faded flowers regularly encourages continuous blooming and keeps the plant fresh. A mild liquid fertilizer or organic compost every 2 to 3 weeks supports strong growth and vibrant flower color. Yellow pansy flowers symbolize happiness and positivity and are often used to brighten gardens, balconies, and pathways. With proper care and cool weather, this plant continues to flower for a long time and adds a lively, colorful touch to any garden space. Next one is the African Marigold. Is a bold and beautiful flowering plant known for its large, round flowers and bright golden yellow to orange color. This plant grows very well during the winter season and is widely used in gardens, parks, and for decorative purposes. African marigold plants grow taller than French marigolds and are suitable for garden beds as well as big pots. They need a sunny location and grow best with at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. The soil should be well drained, loose, and rich in organic matter to support healthy growth. Watering should be done regularly, but excess water must be avoided as it can damage the roots. Pinching the plant at an early stage helps it become bushy and produce more flowers. Removing dry flowers encourages new blooms and keeps the plant healthy. African marigold flowers are commonly used for garlands, festivals, and religious ceremonies because of their strong color and long lasting nature. With proper care, regular feeding, and good sunlight, this plant produces big, vibrant flowers that add beauty and brightness to any garden. Next plant is white Cuphea. Is a charming and delicate flowering plant known for its small white flowers and neat, bushy growth. This plant blooms for a long period, especially during the winter and mild seasons, making it a great choice for home gardens and nursery displays. White Cuphea grows well in small to medium sized pots and is also suitable for garden borders and pathways. It prefers a sunny to partially shaded location and grows best with 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. The soil should be well drained and light mixed with compost to support healthy root development. Watering should be regular but moderate, as overwatering can cause root problems. Light pruning helps maintain the plant shape and encourages more flowering. White Cuphea flowers attract butterflies and add a soft, elegant look to gardens, balconies, and outdoor spaces. This plant is easy to maintain and ideal for beginners. With proper sunlight, timely watering, and occasional feeding with organic fertilizer, white Cuphea remains healthy and produces continuous beautiful white blooms. Next plant is the jungle flame, also known as Firebush or Ixora, is a vibrant and attractive flowering plant famous for its bright red to orange flower clusters. This plant is mostly grown in tropical and warm climates and is widely used in gardens, parks, and boundaries plantation. Jungle flame flowers bloom in clusters and create a strong visual impact with their fiery colors. The plant grows well in pots as well as in garden soil, but it prefers a warm, sunny location with partial sunlight. It grows best in well drained, slightly acidic soil rich in organic matter. Regular watering is important, but the soil should not remain waterlogged. Pruning after flowering helps maintain the plant's shape and encourages fresh growth. Jungle flame flowers are commonly used for decoration and religious purposes and are also known to attract butterflies. With proper care, adequate sunlight, and regular feeding with organic fertilizer, this plant remains healthy and produces bright, long lasting flowers that add beauty and color to any garden space. So, this was a small tour of the flower nursery where I showed you different flowering plants and shared simple care details about each one. I hope this video helps you learn more about flowers and inspires you to grow beautiful plant at home. If you enjoyed watching this nursery visit and found the information useful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with other plant lovers and subscribe to the channel for more nursery visits, plant care tips and gardening videos. Your support motivates me to bring more helpful and interesting content for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.